Today, we are diving into a groundbreaking Supreme Court ruling that has major implications for Muslim women in India. If you are wondering why this matters and how it impacts you, stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of this significant judgment and its broader implications. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content and visit my blog for detailed analysis on trending topics. Let's get started. Today we will answer 7 key questions. Some of them are: who is affected by this ruling? What exactly does the Supreme Court's decision entail? How will it change things for Muslim women in India? The ruling directly impacts divorced Muslim women in India. The Supreme Court's decision states that they can seek maintenance from their ex-husbands under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. This provision isn't new, but this ruling clarifies that Muslim women are also entitled to its benefits. But why is this significant for divorced Muslim women? This brings us to our next point. On July 10, the Supreme Court ruled that Muslim women can file for a maintenance under Section 125, just like women of other religion. This ruling came from a bench of Justices B.V. Nagarathna and Augustine George Massey, who dismissed a husband's plea against paying interim maintenance to his ex-wife. What was the husband's argument? Let's find out in the next point. The ruling was issued on July 10, 2024. The husband had argued that, according to the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986, his ex-wife should not be eligible for maintenance under Section 125. He believed that the 1980 Act was more beneficial for Muslim women. But what did the court say about the 1986 Act? Let's explore this next. If you are finding this information useful, please give the video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps me bring more content like this to you. The ruling applies across India, providing uniform protection for divorced Muslim women under Section 125. Justice Nagarathna emphasized that rights under 1986 Act are in addition to those under CrPC, not a replacement. So, why is this combination of laws important? Let's dig into that. This ruling is crucial because it strengthens the legal rights of divorced Muslim women, ensuring they receive maintenance regardless of personal laws. It's a significant step towards gender equality and justice, reflecting a progressive shift from past legal interpretations like the controversial Shah Bano case in 1985. How does this change things for Muslim women now? Let's see the practical impact. This ruling empowers Muslim women by recognizing their right to maintenance as a fundamental one, not a charitable act. It transcends religious boundaries, ensuring that all women, regardless of their religion, have access to the same legal protections. But are there any challenges ahead? Let's explore some potential issues. While this ruling is progressive, there are concerns about its implementation. Some fear that it might complicate matters by overlapping with personal laws and leading to longer legal battles. Additionally, there is worry about the burden on family and district courts, which are already overburdened. What can we do to address these challenges? That's our final point. To address these challenges, we need to push for legal reforms that streamline the processes in family and district courts, ensuring quicker resolutions. Additionally, public awareness campaigns can educate Muslim women about their rights under both personal and secular laws, empowering them to seek justice effectively. Community support systems and legal aid services should also be strengthened to provide assistance to women navigating these legal battles. What do you think about this ruling? Do you believe it will positively impact Muslim women in India? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback motivates me to create more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, then you can also check out the videos that are on the screen.